Right now, we're seeing a sentiment score of minus 0.06 in finance, which is notably low compared to our historical baseline. This suggests a current wave of negativity that's not typical, especially alongside a momentum increase of plus 0.19. You should take note of this discrepancy. It indicates that while sentiment is faltering, there's a surprising upward momentum, hinting at potential opportunities or adjustments in your strategies. Our API returns detailed sentiment insights across several semantic clusters, allowing you to drill down on specific areas of interest. For instance, you could leverage this data to fine-tune your trading algorithms, capturing shifts before they become mainstream. Curious about how to integrate this into your workflow? Check out the documentation at pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs. Let's dive deeper into these insights together.